मादाचोद अरविंद कुमार, तुम्हारे इंटेलिजेंस ब्यूरो न्यू दिल्ली कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर ए ऑफिस का पूरा डिटेल्स दिखाने वाला ये जो चुदमारानी पेज क्रिएटर्स क्रिमिनल्स ब्लू हाउस आर हेयर. You all are what integrity and what kind of antisocial, anti-national, anti-humanist. That I am getting all the informations. You are just you are in Calcutta. Why I have mentioned Mr. if you अरविंद कुमार, यो अरविंद से अरविंद का नाम में हो, लेकिन तुम लोग जितना चुदीर बच्चा काल्प्रिट क्रिमिनल हो सकते हो, इतना गद्दारी अगेंस्ट इंडियन ह्यूमैनिटी कर सकती हो एज ए इंडियन, I cannot thought about. Now Indian others can do which are civil. I need you all in police custody of Tihar jail who are such surviving that name as I have given these people, so you peoples to be worried about your fate. I too take very poor manner today's video making, as I have not got much information about this criminal Indian criminals only who are sitting in intelligence bureau of Calcutta and elsewhere Delhi. Now I to mention these peoples, criminals only, incompetent, arrogant, worst offenders, doing crime against their own countrymen as anti-social, anti-national, then against whole humanity, Indian, to remain how is a mystic, astonishing manner, I to learn still they to continue. Even I have given so much warning message of humanity annihilation doing, and culprit conspirators are sitting in the IB and FR Department, Telecommunications, Indian Home Ministry, Defense Ministry, Environment, Health and ICRs, Indian Council of various researches, agriculture, medicals, health, environment, science, technology, etc., etc. You all to remain how in a way, particularly South Bloc and North Bloc and integrated Army Headquarter Controller Shastapatri Bhavan, the top imposters. But you are kept block and engaged and take position in disguise in important offices, post, leadership, even that IB, raw scientific advisor post, security department, health department as the all top criminals, all-time record breaker criminals, imposter satans. You are just son of bitches, vulgar ladies, witches, culprit criminals. I too hate this building, peoples who are occupied and this capacity and these Chudir Bacha criminals, their integrity, and particularly these twin Madachods. The twin Madachod are great Ram Bhakto to betrayer of Lord Ram and Indian Vaishnava or Ram Bhaktos. This Chudmaharanis may not be all is there, but this is this Chudmaharani's twin, the Jayashankar, and these culprit criminals, incompetent Chudir Bachchas. Magis, vulgar ladies and kuttes, Javed Kar, where is Javed Kar Chudir Bachcha? And that is Chudir Bachcha. As they are disturbing me with my computer, intrusion keyboards to take, I to blame all this opposition Chudir Bachchas, criminals, host in which regime this crimes is going to be continued till date, to continue to remain affixed as if you will not to leave this post, even getting life sentence threatening everywhere. You are enjoying your post with top salaries and your daughters etc. sending USA to get fucking, your sister mothers and wives to get fucking, and you also to fuck others, ladies etc. Snatch respects and crime doing etc. activities as you to remain as a prince and princess right, authority, enjoyment etc. Lekin of illegal capacity, as you have made this office of illegal Satan witches palace, Baki, illegal state, now it has been illegal state to enjoy and remain here. I will be unable to show all the list, but so learn art vastness, you can consider what my originates. You are ignoring my intelligence, my vastness, I am Lord Ram. To so learn art vastness, then sea or sky, taking in mind at a time, as if not, earth is not taken as a round, as you feel when to move in the traveling air, in both direction, east or western, to reach USA, to be taken as just flat. This Magi Madhu Chopra has flown, your Chudmaharanis and others, as we can reach going straight in either direction, east or west, you are reaching USA, unless it is round, but initially you cannot catch that USA would be east or western. If you ask that, in which direction USA? From your Delhi, you Madachod will not be able to give answer. If you have taken east route, then it shall be east, and you would say west. Okay, chalo, तेरा लोगों का खोपड़ी का to reach your antipode, opposite earth surface, USA, North America, Mexico, Cuba. I'm to blame the Indian officials in laws department as a laws, sciences, justice, protections of Indian, their goodness, to give justice, to law implementation, to describe law, to impose law, execute activities. So you are wrongly remain to enjoy salary, to remain affixed, not to be able to learn yourself and your guilty doing in which amount remain culprit, criminal, all-time record record. You are not ready to take action, any action, to give me acknowledgement or to verify my related demons made blue whale like trailing. What you cannot understand sitting Delhi, North Block, South Block, just as an idiot, that captured such vast sea of the whole earth as they have captured with machine setup of USA, obviously not your mediocre or below average Indian skilled or technician, but once you have reached USA, your all facilities being misused by these world humanity annihilators, and to teach and to make as a worst criminal. Because this Madachod to hack me, that I have facing difficulties. who to cause calamities, earth breaking. See inner earth breaking. Not allowing, as they're enjoying power, just like God, deities, demigods, what Gita has expressed in chapter 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever you gradually read, Karma Yoga, Karma, Yog, Gyan Yoga, etc., that you can learn that today's demons, Asuric, Rakshasic, Danavik, Shakti, is also enjoying not allowing rains or giving rains, though instantly that's not stopping of rains or showers of 1 or 2 days. It will be earth flooding rains, not halting storm cyclones. If listening all such fault of offenses being done, cyclone. I have to go next page. If you unable to listening, you cannot communicate with me. It cannot communicate, learn my anxiety. Such videos, listening of all fault offenses being done, but lacunae, incompetence, arrogance, crime doing, the savage, satanic, evil-minded. Last 6 years, I am trying to reach you each and every, and what I have misusing of phones to abuse towards your PM office, Home Ministry, Defense Ministry, that if you are as an Indian IB department not able to learn all my conversations with these peoples and abusing such words, if I could have been terrorist world when that you have catch, probably I may not. But that you knowing that I am honest, sage, lime life personality where you cannot approach as a criminal to so dare to disturb me or to interrogate me, to reach me. But you are remaining in such a post as if you are doing best Ram Rajya like environment, giving protection, giving law and justice and saving your own girls, daughters or others, Indians. You are remaining either in government or law, IV, DRDO. But you all not who are supposed because there is a lot of hindrance to see and continue my thesis, who supposed to remove anarchy, state or preventing anarchy state, law and orderless, crimes were doing dapadapi, every up and downs. So lawlessness state in India, lawlessness state of India, as if been created by you all criminals, as I mentioned, combinedly all from the Satan's family, who are jointly doing conspiracy and deserting of the killing, annihilation of civils, honest Indians and rest world populations. You are that criminal satanic groups making all type of streaks, conspirations, gaddari, haramjada, chudir bacha, chudkhor, gudkhor, chudir nondan, khudkhor, khunkhor, raktokhor, manikhor, etc. Beshakhor, chudir nandan. You are all leadership in crime doing in the world. As a all-time record breakers, you are in. If you are taking political post leadership, just liars, oh, stop crime offenders, doer, imposter, cheater, betrayal. Evil, satanic mentality, class, stupid, is a personal capacity. classes, sued to tell lie, impostor, satanic, vulgar class communities. You are compromising saving protections, earnings, scope to be compromised, not ensuring but compromising. And destroying all scope, future. As a top self-claimed wise, integrity, wise as if that best wiseness or knowledge, integrity, sincerity, honesty within you all. But it's not. You are all criminals. That I have to mention the designation officers, telephones numbers, who are these? Mr. P.K. Mishra or Gowda, Rajiv Gowda or maybe. The National Security Officer Ajit Doval, criminal. U. Mishra is a criminal. Sri Amarjit Sinha, he was the top criminal. Advisor Bhaskar Khulbe is also, you are the top criminal. You are Dubai based, Khanki Musalmaner Bacha hai. So, of the rest who have take the position, I to bold these names, I was unable to do so. I am not showing because if you have honest enough, integrity, sincere and competent to remain those posts, you are what type of salary and glamour, money, respect you are enjoying. Mrs. P. अच्छा पहले नाम मैं सुदर्शित नाम ले लेता हूँ, अरविंद श्रीवास्तव, एस गोपाल कृष्णा, भास्कर खुलबे, अमरजीत सिन्हा, अजित डोभाल, P.K. Mishra as a top criminals I have to consider. Anti-social, anti-national, anti-humanist. Then Rudra Gaurav Shrestha, Siddhar, Joint Secretary to PM, Rohit Yadav, if you are Gujarati, Hardik, Satish Chandra Shah is a Gujarati criminal. Vivek Kumar, Private Secretary, you are worst criminal, blue whale, idiot. Khankir Bacha, Chudhir Nandan, Pakistani, and then Hiren Joshi. I have a lot of time conversation with you and request to convey my anxiety and what are instruction, how to avoid punishment. So all these peoples, I am not mentioning, unable to mention all these names. I am just taking in this my video graph to give warning. And this Madachod, it is a need for Indian Rashtrapati Bhaman to get as a donkey to eat without joining, or these people to do gathered and doing bokbas in the parliament. But a Rajya Sabha is a Raj criminals. And Lok Sabha, if it is that. And these peoples who are to enjoy security, etc., all these Madachods, criminals, and these criminals' image will be removed from all places, that Gandhi. Just climate, action India, etc., Madachod, Chudir Bacha to do bokbas with Indian peoples. You have been charged as a worst criminals, that the worst complaints I making you who are planned to introduce such. It is such tha. Because I was unable to do correction as a repeated computer handling. I am trying from early 6 morning and for 1 week. I was very much angry at attempting to kill one Ramakrishna Mission Sagi. To give scope of criminals only. Scope to only criminals. Misuse such digital setup, digital India. misuses system's capacity to as to unit doing or stop manner crime doing, and facts of crime doings can be kept limited within those peoples where the digitally those system cannot, those news or facts can be reached to common or top honest sincere officer etc. You peoples are in mass numbers top criminals in forefronts to misuse all powers posed to block, to suppress the fact, to help the criminals. Misuses of fund exploitation, IT engineers and others, vet medical doctors in biowarfare, satanic purposes, humanity annihilation doing, aim goal, evil mentalities, as evil mentalities that life sciences, biology to allow to live India. And this 2 to 3 data you have to give. What total death of Indians and how many people are missing and how many people have gone abroad with passport and issued passport and how many people are as ambassadors. These peoples, etc. Then about fund, monetary condition. What is Indian total death? The total Indian humanity mishaps, total death in last 55 years, total missing from India. Nowhere. Total bhagoda, taking loan, remainder unreturned, unpaid, total number of fake currency, total passport issues, visas, visa issued, crucial mode used in C deep inner to live clicking machine, that one videograph and mode, see such video keeping in on high, tall stage in the deep undersea to make our body inner imbalance, steering out or snatching life. That at this stage I may not be able to show. If I go there, then it will be difficulty. Now you to see, I will show later on. Thus learn world all-time record breakers. Breaking criminality list as telecom, digital and expertise in India and oceanographer list. As many as 7 Indians who has taken name. Srinath N of Tata Communications, Sunil Bharati Mittal Bharati Enterprise, Tata Communications, that Satya Nadella, Satya Aurobindo or Brahmaniam, Subramaniam or Jawahar maybe, that YouTube Indian, then Ajit Mohan, etc. Then other peoples have been taken as a Google chairman Eric Smith, technology major Apple chief Steve Jobs, China Minister Industry Information. China is obviously criminal where you are. We too only bound to take all digital setup from China, and what you are trying to draw FDI, all those criminals who are taking names here, are doing crime against, but this is a few. Original that Ronald Trust-based fraud. Ronald Christopher's Indian traps who have opened many public engineering school and telecommunication and media television